Hey, Derek, what are we doing today?
Going to Jersey.
Yeah,
Pick up a Scooby.
Yeah, and what's in New Jersey?
Fans and balloons.
Yeah, fans and balloons. That's where we're going. So for just a little bit of context, I drove from Ohio to Jersey Shore, Pennsylvania, out here at Wendy Weaver's house last night. We flew, and now today I'm actually going straight up home to New Jersey and flying with Tucker and the gang, as well as Derek. Now I've been driving the van around for the better part of a month, and I really miss my Subaru, so Derek's driving me over there so I can grab my Subaru and bring it back to Pennsylvania, right? Really fast.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Bye, Wendy.
Thanks, Wendy. Appreciate it.
Ready?
What'd she say?
Yeah, buddy. She said anytime during 6 weeks I should show up. Like, see in front of us.
All right, the road to New Jersey has officially begun. The road to home. Ooh, Derek, where are we at now?
Wow.
Basically at the start.
He wants to shake a magic wand. He's asking all kinds of questions. Like, I'll say that.
That's so good though. Derek asked for the uphill one, so I'm taking him up the hill. If you don't know what the hill is, it's a local staple in this area. Oh shoot, you got the red light.
Me. Green light. Big hills aren't its friend, but we're also kind of high altitude.
Oh, that was actually clean, dude. Yeah, buddy. Jump it over the trailer back there.
Whoa!
Oh my
Straight?
God.
Yeah, straight. Okay, now it goes around a corner.
Oh,
Well,
man.
see, I was gonna slow down there anyway, so that's perfect.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh!
Oh shoot! Uh-oh!
I turned the AC on a little early. No, it's got it.
Okay, that's the worst.
Good job, Taco.
Good job, Tacoma. We're here. We're at home.
That'll just keep him from spinning away. So you got this. Some sort of two-step to that. Whack.
No, I know.
Camera with the
I know. Alright.
That's
like switches foot to this.
I didn't scratch anything, did I?
No.
Dude, Pete straight up bought a boat while I was gone. I didn't even know. Are you kidding me? Yo, Pete, give me the MTV cribs of your boat. The boat, hole in the back, water goes out. Holes here, I don't know why. Gonna have big deck, catch big fish. Dude, how many hogs are you gonna pull with this thing? A lot. So Pete, how stoked are you about the boat though? Really?
Oh, I like it a lot.
Big stoke.
Big stuff.
Okay, so check it out. I'm having problems with my motor right now where it won't go from like cruise power up onto the high jet into full throttle. So I tried putting new reed valves in it. That didn't work. So now we're gonna rebuild the carburetor and hope that the carburetor fixes itself before we go fly tonight. If it doesn't, then I'm kinda SOL. All right, basically we just gotta take this air box off like that and then pull the carb off, so the fuel line and the breather valve and the throttle cable have to go out. Then after we get all that out, we're just gonna take the sides off, spray it with carb cleaner, and put it back together because Derek doesn't actually have the rebuild kit.
At home with my melted motor.
We're getting the fuel line off.
Yeah, it's
Big man Derek. Strong man. Oh, got it off.
Yeah, just the side.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Alright, carburetor's off. We're gonna spray it out with stuff. It looks super grimy if you look at this side. So look in the screen.
Got one more screen up there. And it really
Okay.
I don't think that would be enough. I got it all right there. Like, I don't think But that is like an accumulation of something. Let's do your carbs, dude.
You're gonna kill my grass.
I think it's clean. I think it's clean.
She'll start eating and she'll hear herself breathing.
All right.
Does that one sound like it can't breathe?
This seems about put together.
She's not fat.
Give it some positive vibes.
I'm giving her some warm up spins right now. These are some.
How many blades you gotta pull through to get the oil and
About 6.
the oil out of the lower cylinder? Yeah.
Prop.
Please.
We fixed it. We just gotta turn the low end a little bit leaner so it runs a little bit better. Then we're gonna be perfect for flying. Here we go. So the clouds over there look a little bit suspicious, Pete. What do you think?
Yeah, they're not too bad, but like they could be
Could
better.
be an issue.
Could be.
Potentially. The winds feel really nice right now.
I feel like it's gonna get good, and then kind of just like
No, death wind. That's what he says. You know, a death wind. Derek, what's your assessment of the wind?
If I had a moster, I'd go.
If he had a moster, he'd go.
who's that?
Hi. Holy frickin'
Nice
smokes! Look
camera.
at the stash on this guy.
Is it in 4K
It's in
HD?
4K 30.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
It's blinking.
So it's kind of windy, but we're gonna go test the air, see if it's good. I think if you just kind of like, now it's on this side. You gotta just bounce it between, you know. Yeah, it just bounces back and forth. Oh, also I'm using the old Freeride 16. Dude, what? It's actually really smooth. Like, not even joking. It's really smooth. Nice. It's not garbage. Let's see if we can't do a little swoopy-doo. Oh, yeah. Dude, so we're finally back out here in New Jersey, where I'm from, where we fly all the time and the weather is always perfect. Not. I'm just really happy to be home for like one single day. I really didn't expect to end up back here today. It was kind of just like a spur of the moment. Hey, do you actually want to go home? So yeah, we just tested the air. I think I'm gonna come into land and let the boys know it's good for flying. And then freaking hook it. She flies. All right, so after that fiasco, we're all gonna go flying now, dude.
Yeah.
All of us. Let's do it.
But, you know,
Hey, you look like you're in the Navy and have wisdom about flying. Would you fly right now?
I'm not scared. You little bitch.
I'll see you in the air. Holy howdy, I missed my launch again. Literally every time I launch on the paramotor, I forget to hit record on the GoPro, so that's why there hasn't been a lot of footage of me launching. It's because I literally forget to do it. Dude, I love barrel rolls. They're so tasty. So, in other news, the engine's not running perfectly amazing, but it's not running awful. But yeah, I just want to talk about what's going on in the next few weeks, what's going on with the channel and everything. Basically, starting on Saturday, this Saturday coming up, which might be when this video gets released, we're starting a new aviator class in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. We're starting 2 actually. Well, we're having 2 up there actually. So I'm at home right now, spur of the moment. My camper's over in Jersey Shore. And tomorrow I'll probably run back there and get the camper all sorted out, you know what I'm saying? Hi, Dan. Just ever so gently. So I don't really know what we're doing on this flight besides kind of dicking off and having a good time. It seems like that's what the others are doing. And I will follow suit. Wow, this is pretty cool. All the sunlight is about to start coming out from under that cloud over there, and it's not hitting me yet, but it's hitting everything out in the valley and on the quarry. That's super rad. We're gonna watch it come right across the whole state right now. So cool. Just bored in the air. Not doing anything spectacular. Oh yeah. Oh, you want to get the little foot drag guy? Look at him go. He doesn't even know he's being chased. Alright, so check this maneuver out. I learned this. Okay, so we got this big wad of hay right here, and we're gonna climb up to a couple thousand feet with it. Oh, hey, look at that! Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it, we're gonna lob it out, where nobody's gonna get hurt. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah! Yes! Oh, it's all in my wing! I caught it! Oh, dude, dropping stuff on a paramotor never gets old. Oh, it's all... Oh, I'll just get rid of that real quick. Oh, it's still there! You can like cheese grater it with your wing. Fun new pro tip. Foot drag a field, grab a big wad of grass and lob it out like an idiot. That is hilarious. Oh man. In other news, Tucker just gave me this sick ass Frisky Biscuits shirt. The best one ever. Well, we're back at the park, and I think it's time to come into land. So we'll climb up nice and high. and then shut our engine down and come into land. Whoa, look at that sun! Wow, that is neat. It's so orange. Rad, dude. Okay, bye-bye, sun. So we'll let the trimmers out. Going downwind. Like this. And then we want to do this. And then hook it like this.
There's my hay. There's Judson's hay.
He likes it. What? Where is this?
Oh, it was a pond I was at.
The good boy. Oh yeah. Who's your good boy? No way. Dude, I think he kind of liked it.
That is
Pretty
insane.
Sure.
We went up to him and I'm like, let's see how close we can get.
Who's a good boy, Pete?
It's a good boy. I was like, let's see how close we can get to him, and I was like, this close and this close, and it just didn't move. I was like, gotta go in for the pet.
Yeah. It's the end of the video. That was a fun flight. We just flew around, completely impromptu, the best kind of flying. Follow everyone on Instagram. So follow my brother at pthomasg5. Follow Jillian. Follow Leanne. Well, Leanne, what's your Instagram? Leanne Dundee. Derek Dundee. Tucker Gott. You don't need to follow him. You already follow him.
Dundee.
Dan at the Dan Mass. Fly good, fly safe, don't suck, and I'll see you in the next 4K amazing video. Peace.